I'm Odie Fitzgerald and
Oh, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Transylvania County in western North Carolina, south central Henderson County in western North Carolina, northwestern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina until 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Brevard, or over DuPont State Forest, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Intercept State Park, Jones Gap State Park, DuPont State Forest, Little River in Transylvania County, Conoski, Cedar Mountain, and Brevard. For your protection, not to carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Henderson and Pennsylvania, and Greenville, South Carolina.
Okay. Kind of a bit distorted there by like the middle to the end of the word audio, but yeah. An SVR issued by GSP on WFBC 93.7 far out in northwest South Carolina, like in the Upstate. Over here, by the way. An SVR issued by GSP that has the North Carolina counties of Henderson, Transylvania, and Greenville in South Carolina. And WFBC 93.7, again, despite being far out in South Carolina, over there, is my go-to station for WXJ21 awards for their South Carolina counties. Since WFBC 93.7 being in the Greenville-Spartanburg area, relayed from WXJ21, which is also in the Greenville-Spartanburg area. So, there's that for an award. My first one for today so far. And off an FM station.